Hey everyone! Gigabyte GO27Q24G represents an important step in Gigabyte's gaming lineup, refining the formula of the earlier GO27Q24 while introducing a different panel technology aimed at improving efficiency and brightness. At roughly the $300 mark, it positions itself as one of the more attainable 27-inch 240Hz OLED gaming monitors on the market. From a design standpoint, the GO27Q24G adopts a clean, modern aesthetic. Its four-sided borderless frame enhances immersion and makes it especially attractive for multi-monitor setups where minimal bezels are crucial. The stand design reflects thoughtful engineering rather than flashy styling. It offers a full range of ergonomic adjustments, including 90-degree pivot rotation for portrait mode, swivel flexibility, tilt adjustment, and 130 millimeters of height travel. This ensures the display can be positioned comfortably for both competitive gaming and productivity. The base itself uses a slim aluminum profile, measuring just 2 millimeters thick, providing solid support without dominating desk space. Connectivity is robust and forward-looking, with two HDMI 2.1 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4 input, and a USB-C connection supporting DisplayPort Alt mode with 15-watt power delivery. The GO27Q24G accommodates modern PCs, next-generation consoles, and lightweight laptops with ease. The centerpiece of the GO27Q24G is its 2560 by 1440 OLED panel running at 240 Hz. QHD resolution remains a sweet spot for 27-inch displays, offering sharp image detail without imposing the GPU demands of 4K. Gigabyte integrates MLA Plus technology into the panel, which enhances brightness and energy efficiency. Combined with a real black glossy surface, anti-reflective coating, and a zero-haze optical layer, the screen manages to preserve OLED's signature inky blacks while mitigating glare in brighter environments. In terms of brightness performance, the monitor reaches an average SDR brightness of 275 nits. HDR is where the display truly stands out, with peak brightness reaching up to 1300 nits and Display HDR True Black 400 certification. Highlights appear punchy and dynamic against OLED's perfect black levels. Color reproduction is another strength. Covering 99% of the DCI 3P color gamut, the GO27Q24G delivers vibrant yet accurate colors, suitable not only for gaming but also for creative tasks such as photo and video editing. The richness of OLED, combined with wide gamut support, produces images that feel immersive and lifelike without oversaturation when properly calibrated. Adaptive sync support ensures smooth gameplay across a range of frame rates. Recognizing the traditional concerns surrounding OLED technology, Gigabyte includes several protective and comfort-focused features. Low blue light and flicker-free technologies contribute to reduced eye strain during extended sessions. This proactive maintenance system is particularly reassuring for users who display static UI elements for long periods. Overall, the Gigabyte GO27Q24G combines high-end OLED performance with competitive pricing. Its 240 Hz QHD panel, exceptional response time, strong HDR capabilities, and wide color coverage make it a compelling option for gamers seeking top-tier image quality without stepping into ultra-premium tiers. While SDR brightness is modest by LCD standards, the contrast and HDR performance more than compensate. With thoughtful ergonomics, modern connectivity, and burn-in protection backed by warranty coverage, the GO27Q24G stands out as a serious contender in the growing OLED gaming monitor segment. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.